Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So as you know, around the world, there is craziness happening everywhere. A lot of fear is being spread. The coronavirus, the stock market taking a huge plunge. A lot of uncertainty of how the days, weeks, and months are going to unfold. A few days ago, I put out the quantum code for viruses. It was impulse to do that, and the instructions were very simple on how to use it. Well, I'm going to take it a whole step further, and we're going to be doing a workshop probably next week on how to protect yourself using the quantum code and some other ancient symbology in the form of sacred geometry, water, in the virus quantum code. And I feel really deeply like this needs to get done right away, so it's going to be a little rushed. Normally when I do even free workshops, I typically take about 6 weeks to put together to get everything perfect. It's going to be 6 days. So over the weekend, an email will go out with a registration link. You can just log in, register. There's no donations. It's completely 100% free, and I will be teaching you some never before seen tips and tricks on how to protect yourself in the weeks and months coming. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot. The machine is stirring up fear. The media is throwing stuff out there like you wouldn't believe, and I'm not going to get into it. But anyways, take the workshop live if you can. This one will be recorded, but it's going to be much more, it's going to be very, very powerful live. I have a lot of emotion running through me on this subject. I don't know anyone that's been infected. I haven't been infected, at least not that I know of. But there's so much fear out there that it's time to start pushing back. I'll teach you how to very quickly regain control of yourself if you're worried about everything going on out there. And the geometry will help balance you out. Of course, follow your doctor's orders, whatever they are, whatever you're doing. But this is just meant as another layer of protection, another layer of confidence, pushing the fear back, freeing you in the moment, allowing you to move forward. And again, folks, this is all about creating reality. Know what you want. So we'll talk about this in the workshop. But yeah, it's coming. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.